Hi, good evening guys. This is Jeff Aerotech, Jeff here, and today we are going to take a look at some of the tips and tricks from the Samsung Gallery. It's actually a built-in features which I feel that not many people know about it, but it's a very marvelous features. It's called Object Eraser. Basically, it's to let you remove object from the photo, and it comes with two additional features: reflection eraser and the shadow eraser as well. Alright, since I'm going to get my dinner, let's go and get some real world photo that's usable for this test. Alright, let's go. Guys, I'm back home now and I have get the necessary photo to show you for each of the features, and I got 3 photos here for each of the features. There's 3 features, and there's an additional one. It's something quite unusual which I will show you later. Okay, it's a bonus like features. Alright, so let's get in on how to do it. So firstly, click on the photo you want, and the first one will be Object Eraser. So click edit here. Alright, and so now you're in edit mode. Click 3 button again, Object Eraser, and you can start now. Alright, you can click on the, either you remove people, mostly remove people, or remove like, you know, lampposts or some other, you know, things that you don't want in a photo, or either like dustbin also can, but no, I'm not going to remove dustbin. Alright, we're just going to remove the person. Alright, this is all the people that I have selected. You can deselect it again, select it. Okay, very easy, just erase it, and boom, everything is gone. And yes, I can, yeah, you guys, if you look at it closely, there's a bit blurry over there, but Samsung will keep on improving on this. But let's say it's a scenery photo which is more far away, the effect will be better. Alright, but this is, hey, this is built in. You know, you can just like edit it and send it to your friend or something if you don't want to have any people, or you want to remove something inside the photo. Alright, you don't need to, like, you know, like send it to your laptops or whatsoever to get, you know, editing software to do it. Alright, it's that simple, and just click done, boom, that's it. Alright, and you can save it, okay, on top of it, or you can save as a new copy. I'm going to save a new copy here so that I have 2 copies. Alright, and yes, the next one will be, yes, the erase reflection or reflection eraser. Alright, you can see that, you can see my reflection on the glass door here. So normally we want to take like something, we are in between a glass door. We want to take a photo of something inside, or you are inside there, you want to take a photo of something outside. Then most probably you will like get your own shadow. You send it to your friend will like, hey, what the hell you're trying to send me? Alright, I can't see clearly. Okay, click on the pen over here, 3 button, Object Eraser again, and this time around it's even more simple. You don't need to draw anything, you don't need to click anything, just click erase reflection, and boom, here you are. Yes, this is because there's too much like highlights over here, so that you see that you can see the shadow of my head still here. It still need improvement, but you can see that my body is actually, you see, I can go back and forth. My body, especially you see my lower body and my lower body and my leg here, actually it cleverly blends in to the floor. It's only my head a bit. I hope that Samsung will keep on improving on this as well, so that yes, we can have a perfect one. Alright, and yes, same thing, you can click done, 3 button, save as copy. And yes, if you guys can't find the like when you on your object eraser, if you can't find this erase shadow and erase reflection, alright, you just see this object eraser, you can't see these two options, alright, don't panic, alright, just click 3 button and go to labs, okay, click in, and you can see that the shadow eraser and reflection eraser, alright, these two toggle is here. Make sure you toggle it, okay, so that it will appear in your object eraser there, alright. If you toggle it off, I show you, alright, I toggle it off now, right, you only see eraser here, okay. So don't panic. If you haven't used it before, you should have, like, you haven't on these two, just put on it, alright, and just go back, object eraser, and boom, is there. Alright, it's that simple. This is the third one. This is called erase shadow or shadow eraser, should I call it. Alright, so same thing, the pen icon, edit, and 3 button here, object eraser, and no need to do anything, just like erase reflection, alright, just like erase reflection, you just click on erase shadow, and boom, that's it. Yes, you may see some little bit of shadow here, here, and here, and like I say, this is only the second version, if I'm not wrong, of this software. So yes, Samsung will definitely improve it. Alright, they are good in their software, you know, update. So this is not a problem. Don't worry about it. And I can see that from the first, second, I don't know this is second or third version, but it have improved a lot already. Alright, especially the first version is only the object eraser, the first one that I show you. Only can remove people or remove object in the photo. There's no erase reflection and erase shadow. These two is how do I say, these two features is one of the best that I see before. Yes, I can assure you that. And you don't need to, like the object eraser, you need to, you know, click on the people or something to erase. You just let the software do the magic. That's it. Alright, and yes, click done. Alright, save as copy again. Okay, so yes, the final one, which is the bonus one. So if you guys look at this, you might think that it's something like the glass door photo that I show you on the second one, right? The erase reflection. But no, guys. Okay, let's do it. I show you. Same thing, edit, 3 button, object eraser. Initially, I also think like it might be, you know, erase reflection. So I give it a try, erase reflection. Alright. Then I was like, something is not right, and sometimes depends on your photo. So like I say, they are still improving. Depends on your photo and depends on the lighting and everything. And I was like, okay. So I go back, and I don't know why I suddenly have this feeling like, it have my whole person in there. Why don't I? Okay, for the object eraser, either you can click it like the first picture that I show you, or you can draw like this, alright, around yourself, or the object you want to erase, you can draw around, okay? Yeah, just one round enough, not too big. And I click erase. It's like boom. I was like, oh, this is too big that I draw. I can click like this. Yeah, okay, this is better. You see? I'm totally gone, and it's I don't know why. Maybe it's a red color. It's not so obvious. It actually works better. Don't you guys think? Right? I was shocked. Like, oh, this you can do it like this. Not reflection, but use the object eraser. I can erase myself from the reflection. I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, it's a lesson for all of us. Let's just give it a try. Yeah. maybe you have surprise results, right? Okay, so yes, will be everything I like to share from you. And yes, remember, all right, sub to all my social media, especially YouTube and my Twitter, and most important, follow me inside the Samsung members app. All right, so we can have like communications or something. You can drop me like questions or what you want me to do or test after this post. You can leave it below the comments, or any others you can discuss about it, or you get some tips and tricks you want me to show the others, I can do it for you as well. And just drop me a DM. Alright, okay, so I will see you again, guys. Take care, have a good Monday, no Monday blue. Okay, have a good and great Monday tomorrow, and I'll see you again. Take care, bye bye.